Climb inside the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.